energetic music plays, upbeat visuals of both cameras flash on the screen. Hey there, savvy shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking the bank, or your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of photography, with a showdown between two heavyweights in the mirrorless camera ring, the Sony a6400 and the Sony ZV-E10. Let's kick things off with the price. The a6400 is going to set you back about $1,007, while the ZV-E10 is a snatch at $799. Reviewers have noted that the a6400 is great for those looking to grow in their photography skills, but if you're on a budget, the ZV-E10 is definitely more wallet-friendly. Remember, cheap doesn't always mean cheerful, unless you're talking about my jokes. Now, image quality. The a6400 boasts a whopping 24.2 megapixels with lightning-fast autofocus that can spot your bad hair day in just 0.02 seconds. Meanwhile, the ZV-E10 also has 24.2 megapixels but adds 4K video oversampled from 6K, because who doesn't love a little extra pixel love? Reviewers rave about the ZV-E10's exceptional video quality and autofocus performance, making it ideal for vlogging. It's like getting a bonus fry in your takeout bag. When it comes to video, the a6400 has multiple movie functions. You can create time-lapse videos, slow motion, or even fast motion videos. Perfect for those moments you want to fast forward through your awkward family gatherings. The ZV-E10, on the other hand, has a product showcase setting that transitions focus from your face to an object. Reviewers highlight its impressive video functions, making it a favorite for product reviewers. Talk about multitasking. Now let's talk user-friendliness. The a6400 has a tiltable LCD screen that can be customized for vlogging. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use, like having a personal assistant that doesn't judge you for talking to yourself on camera. But the ZV-E10 takes the cake with its easy live streaming capabilities. Just one USB cable, and boom, you're live! It's so easy. Even your cat could do it. And trust me, they definitely have opinions on your life choices. Finally, let's not forget about the little extras. The a6400 comes with a bunch of accessories, while the ZV-E10 has a background defocus button that instantly toggles the defocus effect. Reviewers love this feature, as it's like putting on a soft filter without the need for a filter. Perfect for when you want to hide that pile of laundry in the background. Overall, the Sony a6400 is praised for its advanced features and value for photography enthusiasts, though some users mentioned limitations with the kit lens. Meanwhile, the ZV-E10 is celebrated for its exceptional video quality, user-friendly design, and versatility, making it a favorite among vloggers. So which one should you buy? If you're all about that fast shooting and professional video capabilities, the a6400 might just be your best friend. But if you're looking for something more budget-friendly with a sprinkle of vlog magic, the ZV-E10 is calling your name. Remember folks, whether you choose the a6400 or the ZV-E10, you're making a smart choice. Just make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more product comparisons that'll save you money and maybe a few tears. Until next time, keep buying smart and capturing those moments, because life's too short for blurry pictures. Bye for now.